Mr. Brown? Mr. Brown? Hello? Hello? I wonder who that I call me so early in the morning. Yeah. I'm
It's
in the
me,
right
Fancy. You
information.
come out here right now to me.
Fanso, I came to you and I spoke to you about controlling your two bulldog that been coming to my house to disturb me. I have to go to work and I have to go to church. So when night come, I need to get my rest.
So who stop you from
Hmm?
rest, Fancy?
And I make sure I fence up my yard. And I don't know how your dogs keep reaching into my yard. I spoke to you about it and you said your dog is not coming to my yard because you leave the dog when you go into your bed and when you wake up in the morning, you see the dog in the yard. Mm. But Mr. Brown, you don't know when you're gone to your bed what is taking place. And I don't want you to tell me that the dog was at the gate or wherever. Because I know it's your dog. Hmm? Mhm. Every time I come out in the night, I see the dog them and I know it is your dog. And Mr. Brown, I not go take it no more. I not take it no more. Because me whole and shaky I know and can hardly manage and when night come me need for rest. Because if I am not resting well, I can have heart failure and all type of things. My pressure can rise. So Mr. Brown, me need for sleep. You don't like sleep, you know, Brown. You don't like sleep. Because you coming like all creature set up a night, whole night and no sleep. But me can tell you something. I don't want to raise me hand off of you, you know. I don't want to have to draw something. I tell you, you know, any more night I come out and see them dog in my yard, you know, they say you mustn't cruel to animal. But Mr. Brown, if you not control your whole mongrel dog them, because you're going like say the dog them a pedigree, all mongrel dog, all mongrel, all mongrel. Them are no pedigree. Me want you control your whole mongrel them. Them are no pedigree. Me a beg you be control your mongrel. So, and if you can't control your whole mongrel dog them, I will control them for you, you hear, Brown? Because I'm not coming back over here. Eh? You see? I make sure come in my yard close and not when me I come from church, you know. Because who no believe to say the church people they no got no feelings. I wanna pick it up every day and pressure them and pressure them. Eh? So me make sure come in me hall. Shall I go? Hmm? In me hall hand me down them. Understand? So you can't have nothing to tell me say me I come from church. Hmm? Hmm? Brown, make I tell you something. I tell you, you see, you wouldn't like to know how me feel this Thursday evening, you know. Hmm? Make I come back and catch them dog in my yard. Eh? You will hear about it. You will hear about it. I've been warning you and I've been warning you and you're not listening. You're not listening to what I am saying. Because you no feel to say, you is bullbuck and up a conqueror. And you can't do as you no like with people. Because what? Them a go to church. So church people no got feelings. Only who no one. Because who no feel to say how no I rule the world and rule the earth. Well, make I catch them two mongrel in my yard again. And you will see you here with me, I tell you, Brown. You will see. So you come back about dog business, Fanso. Fanso? Fanso, you come back about dog business
Yes,
again?
because you need to
I keep
control the
telling you
dog
that
them.
the dog does not belongs to me that you see in my yard. Hmm? The dog does not belongs to me. My dog one sleep on my foot and one sleep on my head. Hmm? And every turn me turn at night, me see the two dog them. So fancy, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know. You need to get your to a retreat. And don't come back on me yard about no dog business. Is me one in the community have dog? Hmm? Is me one in the community have brown dog, black dog? Eh? Listen to me now, Fanso. Go find something, do you hear? It better if you go read your Bible and pray and stop coming on me yard, come in an argument with me about dog business. You can't say me never tell you. Okay? See me not even wake out of my bed good and you come on me yard so early in the morning. And when people lie to know up with some Tory now, you know talk about church and Christian. Hmm? And you know God principle. Look on the hours when you come on me yard, come and call me and talk about dog. Fanso, get yourself together, you hear? You hear, old man? You